Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is entitled "Shoplifter Attacks Police After Theft Backfires Terribly."
Put your hands behind your fucking back! Stop!
Yo!
Yo, stop! Stop! Please!
On September 15th, police in Pennsauken were called to a Wawa after a fight broke out between a customer and an employee. When officers move in to detain the suspect, she violently resists, turning a simple call into multiple felony charges.
Wawa?
Excuse me, sir. Everybody needs to go outside.
Yo, back up, yo, let's go. Back up. Go.
Bro, get off of me. Get off of me.
Go ahead.
Get off of me.
I'll get it.
Put your hands behind your fucking back!
Get off of me. Yo, God, look at girl. I'm done, bro. I would've put you right in this shit, bro. Bro, I need to fix my phone. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me! I don't like people touching me!
I'm bringing the car around.
Stop touching me!
Can you leave the door open, please? Can you leave the door
Stop
open?
pulling me like that, my fucking hand, nigga! Stop!
Yo!
That shit hurts! Stop!
Let's go.
Stop!
Let's go.
Bro,
Let's go.
Stop! Yo, bro, stop! That shit hurts!
Get up!
Stop! Yo, get the f*** off of me! Stop! Ow, bro!
Let's go. Ready?
Yo, stop! Stop! Please!
Get up!
Stop!
Hear these dumbass bystanders. I don't know if you can hear it, if you can hear it, but you hear him in the back. Why you grabbing her like that? Man, shut the hell up, man. She just committed a crime. You think the officers just showed up just to mess with somebody today? No, they got called there because she was committing a crime. And she don't want to cooperate and walk like a big girl. Listen, it's very faint, but you can hear him.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Stop! Yo, bro, stop! That shit hurts!
Get up!
Stop! Yo, get the f*** off of me! Stop! Ow, bro!
Let's go. Ready?
Yo, stop! Stop! Please!
Get up!
Stop! Stop!
Get up!
Stop, please!
Get up then.
Stop! Let me go!
Are you gonna get up?
Let me go! How the f*** I'ma get up, bro?
Oh, let's go.
Stop! I hate when people touch me!
Okay, then sit up. Let's go.
Let me go!
Sit up then.
Let me go!
Sit up then.
Let me go! Let me go! Yo!
Listen.
Y'all weird!
Listen.
Y'all weird!
Sit up.
Now don't talk to me now!
Sit up.
I'm fucking here!
Sit up. Let's go.
Yo!
Let's go.
Yo, bro, that's weird! Ah! Stop! Please
I
stop!
have to pick her up.
Bro, that hurts!
Ready?
Stop!
Got it? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yo! Bro! Nah, bro, that shit weird! That shit weird, bro! Stop, bro! Please stop! Yo, that shit is weird!
Watch your
Let's go.
Hold on, don't open it. Watch your head.
Yo, that shit is weird!
Can you get up? Because
Are you gonna get up?
Yo, no!
can
Please
breathe.
just
Sit
let
down.
me get up!
Okay, then get up.
Let me get up!
but you're not getting
Let
up.
me get up! Let me get up! Let me get up!
Hold on to your side.
Hold on!
Your other side. There you go.
Yo!
There you go.
Oh my god! Bro, I'm suing the shit out of everybody, y'all. I swear to God.
Let's go.
I'm suing
Let's go.
everybody. Yo, my fucking head.
Let's go.
No, bro, grab my phone. Grab my phone. No, I need it now. My cigarettes, my phone, my money, everything. Please, bro, please. My phone in there, my
Let's go.
cigarettes, my buddy, bro.
Let's go.
Get my cab keys, bro. Take my cab, bro.
You gonna stand up? Let's go.
Yo,
Stand up. Okay.
take my cab.
Stand up.
Shit, wait. Go get it, please, go get it.
Stand up.
Please. You can have it, bro. Take my shit.
You're telling me to have
Take my shit.
Walk back. Walk back.
She told me.
No, in the
Walk back.
store, my phone, my cigarettes in there.
Sit down. Sit down.
Oh my God.
Sit down. Sit down. Put your feet in, please.
No, I can't. Wait, I'm trying. Stop touching me. I hate when people touch me.
You gotta understand, you're under arrest.
Take it off.
You're
I
not-
can't.
you're not-
My arm hurts.
You're under arrest, ma.
No, bro. No, I'm telling you to take this off my arm, yo.
Come on.
Bro, look, what the yo?
Come on.
Hold on, wait. Bro, you gotta take this shit off.
Listen, look. There you go.
Oh my God. No, this shit is not cool. Go get my phone. Let me see you get my phone. Get my
No, stealing is not cool.
Let me see.
That's what's not cool.
Let me see.
He's gonna show you right
Let
there.
me see.
He's gonna show you right there.
Let me see.
Your phone and your keys.
Let me see my key.
Your keys are in here.
Let me see.
Get in the car already.
me see
I
my
showed you all your stuff. I'm not showing you again. I'll show you your stuff.
Where's my phone? My keys are lying. Where's my phone? My keys are camera's not even on either. No, it's not. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Break my leg. Go ahead, break my leg. Where's my keys?
Yo.
Where's my keys? Yo, stop! No! Bro, stop! You're choking me!
I'm not talking.
You're wise, man! Go get my keys!
Keys are
Go
inside.
get my keys! Stop! Yo, stop! Her! Stop! Her! Stop!
Flag in the car.
Stop! Stop!
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Stop!
Did she drop anything else in here? Let me get it. All right, cool. Nothing else? What's up, bro?
Give me my stuff!
You good? You good? Just back up.
Please! Yo, give me my stuff, please! Give me my stuff!
Your stuff is in the front.
Give me my stuff! No, it's not! He just got my shoes!
Yeah, I got you.
No! Stop! Let go my arm! You hurting my
Let's go.
wrist is bleeding, bro! Stop! Stop! Give me my shit! Ah! Ah, stop the shit!
Put your leg inside then.
It's running my
Put your leg inside.
The cops are Let me
Put
go!
them inside. Put your leg inside.
Show me my stuff!
I already
What I would do is I would have the guy on, not on this side, but the guy on the other side, taser. She would be shocked, move and close the door on the foot side. Boom. And then you could shut it, boom, both ways. That's what I would do.
Show you your stuff.
You didn't! You just showed me my shoes! I need my keys!
Stop.
My phone!
You are already under arrest.
Yo,
Stop.
that doesn't mean you keep my
Stop.
shit!
Your shit is in the front.
Let me see, that's it!
I showed you already.
You just show me my shoes. It takes 2 seconds. Show me.
Did you not see your phone and keys already?
Let me see.
I'm not
Let
showing
me
you
see.
again.
Can
Put your
you
foot
please
inside.
Show me my phone.
It's in there.
Please, I promise you, on my son. I told him too. On my son, I was gonna
Put
leave.
your foot inside.
Yo,
That's it. Let's go. Put your foot inside. Let's go.
where's my key? Where's my cigarettes?
Your cigarettes? Your phone.
And where's my key? Let me see. Let me see the key. That's not my car. That's my boss stuff. Please.
Can you please go?
See, you don't have my key.
What's your stuff?
You
Let's
don't
go.
have my key. Check if it's in my pocket.
What does your key look like?
It's a small key. It's gray. You're gonna see the gray
Is it in
tag.
your pocket? I'm gonna check.
Check, please, just check. See if it's my pants pocket. I need that key, bro.
Where's your other pocket?
It's in the store. Please get my key. Please get my key, please. Oh my God.
You know you making this more.
No,
difficult
I'm
than
not.
what it has to be.
How? I work all day, every day for my money for the white people to be talking to me crazy. No.
need
That
to
shit is
understand.
weird.
Mama, listen.
No.
You need to understand that you are under arrest.
What the f?
Okay?
That shit weird as hell. That's all
Stop
I can do
making
is
this.
work.
Stop making this more difficult than what it has to be. Put your foot inside.
Yo, that shit is weird, bro. That shit is weird.
Put your foot inside.
That's all she had to do was give me back my money. My key not in there.
Put your foot inside.
Wait, check.
Put your foot in the vehicle.
See?
I'm about to go inside and check. But I checked in there. They can't find your keys.
Yo,
It's not
see,
in
that's
there.
what I mean. That's the fucking bullshit, bro.
Can you put your foot inside? Go
Look,
ahead.
check in my pocket.
I already checked.
Check, please. Oh my
See the other one?
God, they're gonna do some bullshit. Is it in?
Alright, cool.
Can you take it? Can you take the gloves off?
Can I take
Shoulder, my head,
Okay, what hurts? Tell me what hurts.
my shoulder, and my wrist.
Your shoulder and your wrist.
Please take them.
Listen, once EMS comes, I'm gonna explain to you what's gonna happen. Once EMS comes, if you decide that you want to go to the hospital, we are going to assist you going to the hospital because you are still placed under arrest. Now, the cuffs will not come. They're not coming off.
Put him somewhere else, or like make him lose it.
What I can do is put another pair of cuffs, but that's not up to me.
Please.
Okay? Listen, I can put another set and loosen them. That's all I can do.
Man, I wouldn't do shit for her. She been fighting the whole time. I wouldn't do nothing for her, man. Nothing. Sit there, suffer.
But you're gonna stay in handcuffs.
Okay, I'm telling you, it just hurt.
Okay, that's fine.
That's all I'm telling you.
Okay, so would that be sufficient? They're gonna put another pair of cuffs on so it kind of spaces it out a little bit, so your shoulders aren't back like that.
It's not just my wrist and my shoulder.
Okay, well, like I said, nothing gonna be able to do about your wrist.
She gonna complain regardless.
It's not gonna
Don't
be
fix it.
comfortable. And if you're under arrest, that's how that works. They're not gonna take the cuffs off. You understand that?
I understand what you're telling me. I speak.
I'm saying, like, I'm just right here. You're not acknowledging what I'm saying.
He's walking right here with this shirt.
Huh?
He keeps coming back. He's not supposed to be here. He's trespassing.
That guy?
Yeah, he will not leave.
Fucking guy. All right, give me a second, bro, cause.
He will not leave.
Yo, let's go. Okay, bro, let's go. They don't want you here, so they don't have to give you services if they don't want to. I got you. Once I'm done over there, I got you, but leave for now. Once you see me done over there, come get me. But leave.
Or do you want to go to the hospital and have them x-ray your shoulder and all that?
Well, I can tell you, I'm pretty sure your shoulder's not broke. Would you let the officer space those handcuffs out? See if that is any relief for you? Okay, hang on.
I'm gonna take off this left hand. Come on. Relax.
What shoulder is it?
What shoulder is it?
Is this one?
Your right hand?
Yeah.
All right, so he's taking the left one
I'm
out.
taking the left one out. All right.
My wrist hurts.
Man, you gotta relax.
Relax. I'm trying to take it off. Can you put the light on the cuff?
Yo.
All right.
Relax.
Yo, that's it.
So she good? The hospital?
That's sufficient for right now?
My shoulder.
So
Told you, she's still gonna complain.
Listen, he's gonna check you, make sure you don't got no weapons. The only thing that's gonna stay on your person is your cash, okay?
You have anything in your pocket?
You guys took all of my stuff.
What'd you say?
You guys took all of my stuff.
You got your keys, you got your phone, you got everything on you. That's he said to take her somewhere specific.
No, don't push my heart. I got it, don't push my heart.
I took her personal stuff, but make sure nothing else is missed. I left. My bad. Make sure I didn't leave nothing else in her ear.
The suspect was charged with aggravated battery, battery on an officer, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and criminal damage to property. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video.
Told you. You fix the cuff, she's still gonna complain. So don't even fix it. Why? She's been fighting the whole time. She hasn't done nothing to cooperate with you guys. So why would you appease to her? Nah, I wouldn't do it. Anyways, overall, I think the officers did the best job that they could. 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm gonna catch you in the next video.